Here I have Ai and Ipa here with me. So we're gonna have a good time. She's arrived right now, and we are leaving from Samarkand and we're going where Sachin Tendulkar emerged as a player, and as where Sachin Tendulkar emerged as a very when you breathe here, you feel the Shivaji Park, and I just got him out. I took the permission of. Alright, I think Shivaji Park is the first destination we thought of. Arav can actually come and see the beautiful ground. Thank you to Ganpati Bappa for a very beautiful place. And, this is the Pedder Road. Finally, I am at the Marine Drive today. We will go racing now. I told them that we will not get out of the car, but just that, to breathe. First time Arav is going out of house, and even my family basically. So this is a very beautiful moment for all of us, and I'm sure it's going to be a lovely trip. Finally, it's a time to go out right now, and I have Arav here, I have Ai and Deepa here with me. Hi Deepa. So it's going to be a fun time, and my mother-in-law, other mother is joining right now in some time. So we're gonna have a good time. बरसाते आए नत्र तेरे सामने सांसों में थे घर जा मैं फिर तेरी कुर्बत का तुझसे तू मांगू मैं तू ही है इरादा तेरा नाम ले पिया मैं तेरी लुगाई. And she's ready. Sorry, I think she's ready. She has come and she's arrived right now, and we are leaving from Samarkand and we'll be going here. Mummy is here, Mummy is there, and that Deepa is behind me. मैं तो तेरी, तू है मेरा. So guys, you know what? Today we have got my mother-in-law made this thepla for us, and we are at Goregaon, Jogeshwari, going to Bandra, wherever we will drive. This is Sunday for us, and it's a beautiful yam thepla. We will try this. The rains, the raindrops. Yay! The rain is here. Right, we are at the Shivaji Park. Beautiful place where Sachin Tendulkar emerged as a player and as a god of cricket. This is Shivaji Park here on the left hand side. Shivaji Park here with Arav. Arav is going to be the next cricketer. I think he's going to be better than Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli? Can be like a MSD uncle. I am at Shivaji Park right now. If you could see the beautiful place here behind me. Grass has been gone very green, and it's not been maintained at this moment, but yeah, it's a place where Sachin Tendulkar emerged as a very big player, god of cricket. When you breathe here, you feel the cricket, and I am a cricketer, so I feel this in my heart. Come out at Shivaji Park, and I just got him out. I took the permission of my family, and he is here. He is here right now with me, and we are going to go out and going to run at Shivaji Park. What's say, Arav? So my Arav is at Shivaji Park. How are you feeling, Arav? How are you feeling? Good? You feeling nice, huh? Let me get into my car now. Alright, I think Shivaji Park is the first destination we thought of, because we ensured that my family can come and see my Arav can actually come and see the beautiful ground. But yes, this is something which is a very beautiful place, which everybody should explore. Deepa. Actually travel more towards South Bombay and South Mumbai. Alright. Ganpati Siddhivinayak, Ganpati Bappa Moria. This is Ganpati Bappa Moria here. Let us say thank you to Ganpati Bappa for getting this pandemic out. Very happy and blessed. And this is Hirapanna. A very beautiful place. We are coming to the Antilia part, and this is the Pedder Road. We're just taking a straight. Finally, the Marine Drive, friends. We are actually driving, and it's such a wonderful feeling. We have Intercontinental coming up, the Brabourne Stadium, the Wankhede Stadium. What say, Arav? Everything good about it? Everything good. So we are at Nariman Point right now. You can see the trident behind me. And Rank Teplas. Very beautiful. Marine Drive. Finally, I am at the Marine Drive today, and after a long time I have been here. Hey people, me and Arav are at the Marine Drive. And we come for the first time after the lockdown here. And what we are going to do, Arav? Racing. We're going to do a racing now. You guys want to join? Please join.
Police.
Racing now. What's it, Arav?
Yes.
Guru, raining, huh? Racing. Run behind, fast. Fill the car. Go. After the pandemic has really made people stay at home. So after 5 months, I guess, I have taken my family out, and we're having a decent time. I told them that we'll not get out of the car, but just that, to breathe green, maybe to breathe sea, the Arabian Sea here in Mumbai. This is the Marine Drive after 5 months or 6 months. Thank you. So I'm really having a good time. दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा मेरी हो के हमेशा ही रहना कभी ना कहना